Yamato, we established company year 2027 become 100 years. So we are the very much history company. So then why Yamato is so much advantage? Because we are selling the value added model. We are able to return of investment all of garment factory. So the GTB is a very good chance to introduce our innovation and our support. So we are introducing the new technology and the new innovation. We call it like a UTQ system. This is the only Yamato monopoly system. We are big change for this garment sector. So customer will get a big benefit. Even the buyer also looking for this type of equipment. So this GTB is a very big chance to introduce our product, even the garment of the Bangladesh. Yamato is a total solution provider. We will have a fully automation, even though we will have a hanger system. We are able to support for like a jacket and trouser and the denim and knit everything. So whenever necessary, please contact with us.